Hello. So, welcome back.
We are here again
It's
with book discussion number 2.
2 for Feb. We're quite late. It's March
6th, 7th
7th March.
with some tea.
Orange and vanilla.
Herbal tea.
Yeah.
I've really got into the habit of having teas.
Teas. Hot teas. We wanted to order some sort of dessert. We ended up ordering teas.
I am not complaining at all.
Yeah. So, the next book which we have to talk about is The Wall of Winnipeg and Me.
Yeah. By Mariana
Maria
Zapata.
Zapata. The theme was slow burn romance.
Which
and
we mentioned at the end of
the first.
Both of us had no clue what it was, but we
Yeah.
figured it out.
We figured, and on researching slow burn romances, literally every website, every video just had Wall of Winnipeg and Me as like the first one
Yeah.
for slow burn romance.
And Mariana Zapata apparently is the queen of slow
Slow
burn,
burn romances.
which
yeah.
I think both of us will attest to after reading one book.
Agreed. Like
Yeah.
today, literally, like why I told you, कि the audiobook, I listened to the audiobook. The audiobook is 16 hours or so, and literally the thing which you're waiting for like happens towards the very end, like the 10-15 minutes at the end. It's so annoying. Like,
Yeah.
like why? But okay, let's start discussing.
Okay, let's start.
Garam hoga.
I am
Used to.
hot. I need piping hot.
Okay.
Okay, please excuse me if I'm not looking at the right camera. The camera is here. I'm looking here.
Oh, I'm
So-
looking at my own face.
Even I'm doing that, but
Zoella's pregnant. I saw the video call of her showing her belly and it's a baby girl. There's a reel which she's put up on her page. Watch it.
I'm watching.
Kal like, as I told you, bakwas ho raha tha. Bakwas in the rickshaw. I'm like this, and then I see her reel and I'm, oh my god. Oh, Zoella's pregnant. Anyways,
This has a very good orangey taste to it, bro. You're gonna love it.
हाँ even vanilla होगा ना इसमें. Okay, the first is start with a couple of sentences describing what the book is about or like what you think the book is about. Go.
Okay, so disclaimer. I mentioned to Mahima before coming for the book discussion. Ki listen, I completed the book on 5th February. Today is 7th March.
Yeah.
Okay, so I was really early on in the schedule to complete this book, and this is pretty much the only book I've read in the month in this entire while. So I don't expect a lot of details out of me, but I will get the details once she starts. But I do have a couple of sentences to
Huh.
describe the book. So I feel like how the book ended, I think you'll attest to it as well. How the book ended just makes you feel very warm. So you feel like, even though it was like frustrating, ki bhai, just get together already, because you kind of see that jugalbandi happening, like where
Oh.
you're like, हाँ हो रहा है, and you're like, okay now, but it doesn't happen. But the way they end it is just perfect. It's just, it kind of makes the book complete. It doesn't make it frivolous. It gives so much weightage to the relationship, and like, so it ends with them having 2 kids, and she's waiting there outside with
In the
both the
family
kids
room. Yeah.
in the family. So it's about a sports player,
Aiden.
Football.
Aiden Graves, football player.
football, the American term football, not soccer, football, which we call
I don't know what we call it.
kabaddi.
No, it's not kabaddi.
Not kabaddi, sorry. What do we call it?
We don't have that sport.
We call it kabaddi only, no?
No, bhai, kabaddi is kabaddi बोल के that. We don't have that sport.
I know we don't have, but what do we call it? We call it something, no? Throw ball. No, not throw ball. Arey, with that big football.
We
Touchdown hota hai.
Don't, हाँ, but like that's, I don't think we call it anything like that. It's football only because we don't have it in our country. We don't call
नमस्ते
it-
लंदन का जो स्पोर्ट जिसमें वो ऐसा करके नाचते हैं ना, that one.
हाँ, like I know what you mean. It was even
हाँ.
I think You Belong With Me में When she's
Yeah, yeah.
cheering on, that's what they're playing. But
Yeah.
we don't have the sport, so we don't call it anything.
Anyway, so he's a football player, Aiden Graves, and Vanessa was his secretary. Yeah. So when he's coming out of the after playing into the family room, he goes and he has this huge smile for his family, and he hugs them, and he says that yes, he is happy. So yeah, I think in a couple of sentences it'll be like feeling warm and having a very good ending to the book.
Yeah. For me, like, to describe in 2 sentences, I mean, the 2 words will definitely be slow burn, because
Yes.
literally all that's happening in the first, like, the entirety of the book is just instances between them and all that. But at the same time, I also feel it's the story is just about a girl, a very normal, everyday girl, being able to break the walls, like literally the wall of Winnipeg. Like, I know that
Yeah.
wall doesn't mean that way, but like the wall, like, because he's a person who's so
But
guarded and
he means that too.
that, yeah,
Because he
in a
had
way,
walls.
huge, like high up walls. Like,
Yeah.
he's a guy. It's a typical like bad boy, good girl thing.
He wasn't a bad boy.
He wasn't a bad boy, but the bad boy, good girl
Tough guy.
trope is that only where, you know, the bad boy has like secrets and like just
So he wasn't a player,
Guarded.
basically.
Huh. Yeah,
But
yeah,
the
yeah.
personality was of that only, where you
Yeah.
know he's falling for this only one girl.
Yeah.
Otherwise, so he's not going to give vow to anybody else.
Yeah.
There are like multiple women उसके पीछे मर रहे हैं,
but
मरे
he
जा रहे
won't
हैं.
give, yeah. And
But-
he's extremely guarded. He doesn't really let people in, but then he lets her in, and even letting her in is like not
Easy for him.
full letting her in. Like, it's very like धीरे small things के साथ ही, yeah, in bits and pieces he like let her in. But that, and then she gets in, and there's always some sort of satisfaction that comes to you when a girl is like let in to a guy's life. Like,
Yeah.
वैसे होता है. There was this one thing. This is a cheesy Wattpad line, I think, but they say कि every guy, like every bad guy, has a girl he's good for, and every good girl has a guy she's bad for.
Yeah, this is
Yeah.
a good one.
Yeah.
Because I've heard this a lot.
So Vanessa was not necessarily good or bad, but like Aiden for sure was this guy who's like toughy and this that, and Vanessa managed to break his walls down. So like small instances here and there just show ki how she's doing it. And it's like a good story that way, but mainly it's slow burn where you're like, okay, get to it, guys. But the end, I mean, she does. I think every kiss she's described, or like the last one, a sex scene which is there, it's like satisfying. Like, yeah, like if you lead up to it, like you'll be satisfied.
Yeah, and it's also, I think let's go to the next question, because I'm remembering everything in sports as you're talking
Huh.
about it, and I have details that I want to say, but I think
I think the questions will cover it.
yeah, exactly. That's it. And this tea is very good.
Who was your favorite character and why? Treat me like a stranger and I feel so wrong.
I did. Aiden.
Huh? Yeah? His favorite character, why?
I feel like because the way his character is written, especially because I read the book. Okay, I was not on the
Audiobook.
audiobook. So even though it was entirely Vanessa's perspective throughout the entire book, but I had a picture of Aiden not through Vanessa because I was reading the book. So I think I like him because of the whole mysterious vibe going on with him, and where he's so like answers in like single words, and like he's so basically the journey that his character goes through, I feel like that
Yeah.
was very heartwarming
Yeah.
for me.
And
And
the fact
also Vegas का scene इसमें ही था ना
Huh.
था ना
Where they marry, no?
yeah.
Yeah.
So usme also where he was sleeping, it was his off time, and then when she's already out and he calls her
Oh, yeah. And he goes out.
कि where
yeah.
are you, and then
He goes out, yeah.
I just felt so good when I read that, you know.
वैसे he was very this thing, like he randomly pop to like उसकी marathon में वो आ जाता है like at the
Yeah.
last point, and yeah, he has the thing about
Like he did so many understated things and so nonchalantly,
yeah.
and I find that very romantic. So I really liked his character and how he was behaving, especially. Even though he had this tough exterior of no.
But he went to extents for Vanessa.
And the thing is, remember this one line he says that I've told you I like you as much as I like anybody else. And like that's just speaking so much about his character.
Yeah.
Like he's this person who just like
But
very
he
bad at
definitely, like,
expressing.
yeah, he doesn't express. Like,
At
it was
all.
always Vanessa who always said, like, the first thing first. Like,
Yeah.
Vanessa said, I love you first, and then he says it, and all of that. Like, Vanessa said, I'm gonna miss you first, and he said it later.
And it was like he always meant all those things, but he was just so bad at expressing it.
Yeah.
Like and the thing is, you come to know he means all of that because he shows it. He doesn't say all of that necessarily.
But he shows, yeah.
Yeah.
He's one of the guys who stand by their word. Like, one of the people who
Yeah.
exactly, like, he'll mean every word he says. For me, I think it's Vanessa. Because of how she was very, like, unpredictable, but at the same time, unpredictable at times. Like, you won't expect something from her. Like, let's say,
Example.
in the football match when they lose, and Aiden comes out, and she first waves at him, and he doesn't reply. Because obviously they lost, so he's kind of bummed about it. So he just looks at her, but he doesn't reply. So she takes her hand down and she flips a finger at him. Like, she gives him the middle finger. You remember this?
Yeah.
And then he, like, laughs. So these things, like, no one would do it. If someone's lost a match, she wouldn't do it. But she knew that will make him chuckle.
Yeah.
That's what she did it. In the same way, like, small things, like, let's say when they were watching that movie together, her favorite movie from childhood.
In the
Dino.
bed.
Yeah, in the bed.
Yeah.
And Aiden, she sees Aiden, like, tear up a little, so she goes and she hugs him.
Yeah.
So small
And they
things.
just sat there, no, after that.
They watched the movie and they sat there.
Yeah.
And she slept in his room.
Bed only.
So just small things like that, which she does, which is so unexpected, but at the same time, like, she's ready to own up to it. Like, she's ready to own up, even like saying I love you first, knowing for a fact that at least she thought ki Aiden is like career oriented and he won't really appreciate her saying I love you, but she was like, fuck it, I'm just gonna do it. So things like that, where she would just do it because she feels it's true and she won't really bother. She's like, I'm just gonna say it, or I'm just gonna do it.
Yeah.
So she was unexpected that way, and even she has her own priorities, in spite of having married him. There was this marathon which she had to run, so she runs it, and all of
Yeah,
that.
she was very committed to the whole, like, I'll go for a jog, and she
Huh.
took Zach along with her.
Yeah.
And that just speaks about how she's a good friend as well. And there was this whole thing about, in the beginning when Irene goes up to her steps saying that, like, please marry, like, come back because I can't do this with anybody else, I really need you. And then she's like, listen, but he's not my friend. If Zach would have asked, I would have done that without thinking, because Zach is a friend to me.
Yeah.
You are not my friend. You have not done anything that's
Yeah.
worthy of. She only does this when enough money was offered. Like, she's like, I have my student loans
to pay.
off. So she's smart that way. She's not like she won't get carried away just because of
Yeah. Even
like
the fact
the heart or something like that. She was very
grounded in that way, like knowing what she wants.
Yeah.
So, is that Dhruvil Mehta?
no.
ऐसा लगा. तो so she has that, and plus even in the start, where in spite of being married to him, she wasn't like very haughty about it. Like, she knew she had so much money. She's literally married to like the most famous football player that there was then, but still she was so chill about it.
Low-key about it.
Yeah.
And she was very this thing about, where he's like, always book the, which flight? The business class. Always first class or business class. And she's like, live like a normal person. What's wrong with you?
In general, mainly it was about the unexpected things that she used to do, so it was fun.
Yeah.
When Aiden asks her, like, tattoo karwana hai, and she's like, I'll make a clown design for you, all of that.
I don't remember this.
She was drawing a tattoo design for someone, and he's like, now even I want to get it because he likes it so much. She's like, I'll draw a clown for you.
Clown.
Because he's afraid of clowns,
Clowns,
no?
yeah.
But it's like her bickering. Her bickering was good. Did the characters feel real to you?
It does feel like it's a little this can't be possible. Like, this is too good to be.
Yeah.
I mean, not even too good to be, but it's just too bizarre to be like something like this specific situation happening.
Yeah,
like
same.
standalone characters, like with their personality, I feel like yeah, quite possible. People could have personalities like that. People can be so with walls so high up, or with Vanessa's case, Vanessa's a very like believable character.
Yeah, believable.
But like a storyline, I don't think so.
Same. Even the characters to some, I don't think someone like Aiden would exist, because I get the walls part. Okay, someone can
Yeah.
have walls that higher, but he's almost shown to have no flaw. Like he has no flaws.
No. How not? Because the wall thing can be considered as a
As
flaw.
a flaw, but he doesn't, like, at least Vanessa, I mean, obviously it's Vanessa's perspective, though, okay.
Huh.
But you know how she says, like, Aiden doesn't consider anything to be, like, a bad thing. Like, he always works on things. Like, Aiden's always good at everything, basically.
But you don't think people can be like that? You are like that.
No.
Where you like work towards whatever you
But, like, Aiden is shown to have no flaw only. Like, he works on good everything, वैसे.
to be the best at everything. He
हाँ,
wants to be good.
Like, he has, like,
But
no flaw.
people are like that, no?
No, but in terms of, like, you know, how he doesn't even miss his family. Like, he's not close to his parents and he doesn't even miss them. No one has that. Like, people always have thoda, like, scars about it. He said he hasn't spent Christmas. Like, he's spent Christmas alone for the last 10 years. We just wanna, like, I mean, all human beings want the human connect.
Yeah,
Aiden
yeah.
is too detached.
My bag fell.
But it's like on a
But
chair.
it's on a chair. It's okay.
It's fine. So Aiden can seem too detached. So no, the characters don't seem as real to me. But for
I
a
think it's-
story,
Yeah, romanticized a little bit for a story.
too much, yeah. But then you know कि अच्छा I'm reading a story, then it's okay. Like ठीक है, for a story it's fine.
Do you want some?
I think अभी खत्म हो जाएगा ना, then you pour both of us थोड़ा थोड़ा.
Yeah. I'm
Did the
pouring
story
tea.
keep you guessing?
I think ये खत्म हो रहा है. मैं थोड़ा equal कर
हाँ.
देती हूँ. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a little like, I don't know.
ले ले अभी सब.
Hey, निकलो अभी.
Oh, भाई नहीं कि कप
हाँ,
है.
हो गया.
Did it keep you guessing? So
Guessing as in, like, you know they're gonna get together because, like, that's
yeah,
the point
that's
of the story.
पर हाँ, मेरा question was always like when, like okay, get together, like when are you gonna do it, वैसे. But still, I wasn't like at the every edge of my seat, constantly being like do it, because I knew कि ठीक है होने वाला है.
Huh. Like, there was no, it's not like, acha, now this will happen, now this will
Yeah.
No, like, guessing in the sense of just like, okay, what all are they going to go through together as, like, you know, events leading up to the final finale.
Yeah.
It's just where you know, like, isn't that one place where he goes to her brother's
Football,
Yeah.
basketball game.
basketball game? And like there are random events like that. So the only thing that I'm guessing about is like, okay, what are they going to do more? What are they going to do more together? I was always anticipating the time that both of them were going to spend together.
Yeah.
Like, how are they going to spend their time together? So I think that's what kept me guessing. What happened? There was ज़्यादा spice.
It's kadava, dude, and I took one full fucking mouthful.
This is not good. Should I put in water?
पानी डाल के भी क्या होगा, ठंडा ठंडा है.
I have garam pani in that. No.
But वो
that's-
चला जाएगा, छोड़ अभी. Okay. Anyways.
I should have.
What was your favorite part of the book and why?
Oh God. There were parts. Just parts when Aiden would give in a little. Aiden or whatever.
Aiden.
I'm sorry. It's just gonna happen. Please take it as a given for me and book character names. I'm going to butcher their names. It's a given. You will come to know what character I'm talking about. But anyway, Aiden Graves. So just the times when he gave in, or little bit he'll show where he where he, you know, that like where he's being this tough guy. He's like being protective of Vanessa. You know, there was this one where his teammate was being a little like bad towards Vanessa.
Christian.
Yeah,
And
maybe.
they have a fight.
Yeah.
And he has a bad, like, swollen jaw. Because
Yeah. That, then where, like, you know, the whole Vegas thing where he was like, tell me where you're going, I'll come with you.
Yeah.
Like, we are here together, I'll come with you.
Yeah. Same.
Like all those parts.
All those. I mean, I was very specific was the part where it's lightning and the light goes off. And
Oh, I forgot about this.
yeah,
Of course.
Yeah. And he comes and stays in her bed and he's like, I'm not leaving. Like, he wakes up from his sleep and he realizes
Yeah.
that Vanessa's scared of
Yeah.
lights because of the elevator
Yeah.
incident before that, and then they sleep together.
Oh,
and
that elevator incident was so
very,
good.
very. That was the first time they were that close. Like, she sits in his lap.
Sitting in
and all
his
that.
lap.
But
Where he's like, you know, instructing her, like, breathe, Vanessa,
Yeah.
breathe.
and he's so patient. He's
Yeah.
so. I mean, this is all ideal guy scenarios.
See, that this is too good to be true. This can't happen.
Yeah. Like,
Guys, prove us wrong.
yeah. And I mean, some things like even the timing, like वो लोग ही गए and तभी only lift इतना बंद हो गया and all of that.
Like, this is too Bollywood
Too
movie
Bollywood,
vibe.
yeah. But ठीक है, like especially the second part when they're in the room and it's lightning and he's there by her side and he's like, I'm not leaving, and he gets the entire story
Yeah.
out of her, like why she's scared of lights and all, and she's going all vulnerable.
Yeah.
That was a nice part. Okay. Were certain types of scenes written particularly well? For example, sad scenes, tense scenes, mysterious scenes.
Sex scenes.
Yeah. The kisses and the sex scene was very good.
Especially because there was tension building up to it.
Yeah, for sure.
Especially because of that.
And it's like explained in minor detail and like so, like it's so hot almost.
It's what?
Hot.
Acha, hot, yeah. Very hot.
About lips and like about. It's not like
She
cheap.
has full lips, no? I didn't. That's why I imagined Siddharth Chaturvedi.
Siddharth Chaturvedi, yeah. It's not cheap, it's not vulgar, but
At all.
good.
It's very tasteful.
Yeah, it's written well. And it's not like it's overdone, like in 50 Shades of Grey. It's in minor detail, it's explained and all of that. So it's nice.
And remember when they almost,
Oh yeah, and then someone comes in, like their friends come in.
yeah, my heart was like,
Yeah. Yeah.
that was me. See, the book is coming back to me, guys. It's been a month, but it's coming back to me.
Did the book make you laugh or cry?
Yeah, it made me laugh.
Same. Made me laugh.
It made me laugh because of Aiden's response.
Yeah.
Like, so many times I'm just like,
Shut
"Why?
up.
What are you? Why you like
Most
this?"
times he's just like, shut up. And the thing is, I listen to the audiobook. So the way the narrator said,
No, but
shut up.
I imagined it like that.
Like that,
only.
especially, I think, out of her entire narration of Aiden, the most favorite thing was shut up. The
Shut
way
up.
she said, shut up. And when I was trying to say something, he'd just be like, shut up. That
Yeah.
was funny.
Yeah.
And that I see like most guys doing. Like, girls will be the more emotional one, and guys are just like, "Arey, just shut up."
Yeah. But like anybody thinking of wanting to read it, you should like. Aiden's responses are written very like dry humor way.
Huh.
I really found it very funny. There were times when I found it very funny, like the way he responds to things. He's such a like ball, and then Vanessa's reaction to all of that. He's like,
Yeah.
"Kya kar raha hai?
Even-
Why are you like this?"
Huh, why you like this? Make to that.
Huh.
And then even her to him, like, you know, she has a habit of constantly thanking him and constantly apologizing. He's just like, shut up. Like, you don't
Yeah.
have to thank me always, you know.
Yeah.
And him from the very start, he was like, "You're my girl, like my
Yeah.
like Muffin, my girl, my
And
wife."
Muffin was also like not a like romantic thing. Right? It was like a joke between both of them.
Yeah. And you know, but at the end when she runs the marathon and they're hugging it, like, "That's my girl, that's my fucking girl." He
Yeah.
says it. And Aiden doesn't swear. Aiden's vegan, so
Oh yeah. Yeah, true.
okay. Now the things which we disliked about the book. Did you wish the ending hadn't been a? Oh, it's not. It wasn't a cliffhanger. But okay, so like we can change the question to, did you like the ending? If yes, then why? If not, then why?
I liked the ending.
Same. I mean, it was a happy ending, like
Very
any
happy.
other predictable happy ending. Like right from the start, you know they're gonna end up together.
Yeah.
So it was a predictable, and I like the ending.
That's what I told you in the couple of lines also, because
Yeah.
I really remember the end of a lot of books. Like you'll remember in Spinning Silver also, I remember the last line of the book that I won't tell you what his name is. And right now also I remember, because I think I give a lot of weightage to how the book
Ends.
ends and leaves me. So this I was very happy with.
Did you find it difficult to care about a main character? If yes, then why?
No.
I found it hard to care about Zach.
Oh, Zach, yeah. I was like, did he remind you of Sohan a little bit?
In a way, now that you're saying it, yes.
Yeah, no.
Yeah. Mera also, because I was listening the audiobook and the way she read out Zach's character just felt very bad. He had a typical Texas because he's a Texan, right? So he had a very Texan accent, and it was just like not working out.
And also him as a character, no? But like,
Him as a character also, like his dialogues and all, but yeah, as you said, someone like he gets kicked out from the
Finicky.
team. He doesn't really work towards anything.
not committed, not like passionate. Whereas Aiden is somebody who like go to lengths to make sure that he was good. The way that it's written is he was pretty much carrying the team on his back.
Sure, yeah, for sure.
So
He's the only good player.
so when you are staying, because Zach is Aiden's
Roommate.
like housemate. So take the good, no, like kind of work on yourself after seeing him. No?
Yeah. Do you think the book is well written?
I wouldn't have a lot to comment on the writing style of the book really, because firstly, because I read it quite a long time back, a month back, so I don't have the details in my mind. But like, it wasn't anything exceptional. Like Spinning Silver had a very well writing style of the book.
Very atmospheric.
Yeah, this was normal. It wasn't bad. It was just like nothing great.
Same. But I felt like there was a lot of attention given to physical detail and physical detail of Aiden's body. Like she probably wouldn't describe the temperature, like how Spinning Silver described like the temperature, visuals.
Everything.
Everything.
It was very descriptive in every way.
Here it was very Aiden's body. Like I know about Aiden's muscles now. Like the amount of detail she gave to like Aiden's this flexed or this jawbone or like this muscle or this shin or like knee, elbow joint. I'm like, oh my god.
Especially and his ass also.
Ass.
When because one of her job descriptions was to take pictures for his Instagram.
Yeah.
So like there were times when that was highlighted where like everything was so evident for her because she was supposed to take pictures that were like that were like salacious, because
They had to attract a female audience
Female.
anyways. But like I felt it was very descriptive only physically, but otherwise, yeah, like there were cute things. There were little like moments like uska for lights, him for clowns, ye wo. There were this shut up and all that, like Muffin Sunshine. But I also feel there could have been more, a little bit more
like that's what I said, this is pretty much normal.
normal writing, like nothing
Yeah.
out of the blue, just normal.
This physique description also, I think it kind of the book type calls for it. You know.
How did you feel when you finished the book?
I think I pretty much answered that.
Yeah, you liked it. Mine, this morning I was left with 4 hours worth of the book.
I didn't know this.
Yeah.
4 hours.
4 hours. So then I heard
1 week into March for a book that is supposed to be completed in Feb.
Feb. But yeah, I was left with 4 hours. I didn't know it was as long as 14 hours, yeah. So I was left with 4. And there's something about the audiobook, it's too draining. I think it's the amount of attention you have to give to this thing.
Yeah.
Even minutes feel so long. Like in a song, 3 minutes flow by, but in an audiobook,
fast.
3 minutes can be very lengthy. So I left with 4 hours. So then I worked out 2 hours in the morning while listening to this. So I was done with 2 hours that. And
How was it like working out with listening
I
to an
usually
audio?
do it. Like I usually cycling करते वक्त I have the audiobook on. But it's the first time I worked out also listening because I was like तो complete नहीं होने वाला. It was good working out. Like I obviously then I did weights only. I didn't do like cardio where I had to jump around. But it was fun. Then I was listening to it randomly, like getting ready or like having a bath or whatever. And then the worst part or like the best part was the weird part was that on my way here in the rickshaw, I literally had the entire sex scene.
I told her specifically, listen, you have to be alone, not in public, because it was very descriptive.
Yeah, very. So I'm in the rickshaw with my earphones in and I'm like this so that I'm like blocking away the noise and there's this sex scene going on. I'm in the rickshaw in the middle of him. But like, okay, in a way it was like an experience.
Because it's very descriptive,
Very,
yeah.
very.
Like, I mean, you want to be out of the public when you're listening to all this.
It was. And then we came here and we listened to the last 4 minutes to Saath Mein.
Yeah,
So
they're
for-
long.
Yeah, for me, so in fact, I feel like the ending ended in a much better way than it would have if I was like alone at home.
Oh,
Yeah, because I listened to the last 4 minutes with you here and like, I don't know, it was nice.
okay. Nice. So it was a good ending all in
Good
all
ending.
for both of us.
What genre is this book and do you usually read it?
Slow burn
Slow
romance.
burn romance. I mean, romance we read.
Yeah.
Slow
Slow burn
burn,
not so much.
not
I've
so
never listened to something that's this slow burn.
We didn't know what slow burn is and we researched.
Yeah. One minute. Hold on. How much would you rate this book?
3.
I gave it, I think, 4 just because it was like, I was thinking of slow burn when I rated it, and it's very apt for slow burn. So I picked this book up for slow burn, which is why I was like, I think 4. I was debating, so I think it's 4.
I'm not so much like you like specifically for slow burn. I'm just rating it as a book, and as a book, I feel like the story is generic,
Very.
predictable. The
Yeah,
writing
yeah.
also not very out of the blue. So 3.
Yeah.
And 3 is like anyways the least. Unless I dislike a book, I'll give it 2, which I think I did for Subtle Art. But I haven't really disliked the book. I liked this book, but it was nothing out of the ordinary. So no 4 or 5.
I think we had this one. This was what we were looking at last time.
I think so. Yeah. Main protagonist representation.
was this one.
Favorite character.
Did you think character development was there in this book?
I felt for Vanessa definitely. It was
Even
there.
for Aiden.
Even for Aiden, yeah. Like him breaking down his
But I
walls.
think that's pretty much because there will be character development unless it's like a book that's about something else and not the characters.
Yeah. There has to be character development.
Otherwise,
Then
it
what's the
won't
point?
work.
But Vanessa did have a good character development. World building is
There was
इतना था नहीं,
no
like,
such world building.
It's literally set in real life in like
Yeah.
the states.
So the question was asking about world building. That's why both of us were like, there was no such world building.
Themes, TK, like it's a general. Themes make you feel. Do you like the themes?
Haven't like I think we've spoken a lot about.
Yeah. Why should the reader read this book / is it worth the reading?
I think it is worth reading.
But it's worth like a very chill read if you're like
Yeah.
you don't want to very invest in the story but you want to read something very easy breezy.
Yeah.
Just read this because
And you're feeling like romantic or if you're in like the lovey-dovey vibe, then maybe.
then maybe yeah. But it's not also one of the intense romances where you like oh my god. It's not that. Because you're like right from the very like deep down you just know
that they're going to
they
get
will end up
together.
So it's not like there won't be unexpected twists and turns here.
Yeah.
And it's not like heart wrenching or something, but it's a very easy breezy, chill read. So if you just want to, might as well. Just, yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. And I think stars we've discussed.
How
3,
much?
4.
3 and 4. Yeah.
That
no?
was it. Yeah.
That was it.
That was
It is
it
done.
for Feb.
I think we had a lot more to talk about the book that we chose in Jan.
But I think अपना timing matches से it's 35 minutes only.
But we did a lot of time pass.
yeah, well,
In the middle.
Because I think that book deserved it also. That book has like specific like word building. It's a fictional story.
Yeah.
Different characters,
Yeah.
different themes only. This is a very
Yeah.
everyday story.
Yeah. So but I feel like for slow burn, we pretty much nailed it.
Yeah. Plus, I could see like a Bollywood film be made out of this easy.
Yeah. I have a hero also.
हाँ सिद्धार्थ चतुर्वेदी.
Siddharth
But it
Chaturvedi.
won't be फिर अपने में it's either a cricket character, but which I don't see like cricket characters being so like this thing about it. I feel like it can be like a CEO or something or like a big hot shot.
Yeah.
है ना?
Or it can be like an olden days Bollywood hero. Because that time there was no media, no? So there's no like enough spoken about this, and there
Yeah.
was a lot of like image कि इसका image ये है, इसका image ये
हाँ,
है.
mysterious like
Yeah.
not too much in the public eye and all that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like a Bollywood old age Bollywood because now वाले Bollywood heroes आते हैं. Please.
No.
But हाँ either like a CEO or Bollywood hero. Cricket I don't really see cricket. Nah. Because even cricket stars are very like online and all that.
Yeah.
But हाँ.
Cricket to Virat Kohli only. He's Virat Kohli only. He's like look, I actually even like Hardik Pandya.
Huh.
Like right now, once he's like
Because-
has a baby, then I'm like okay, he's done something right.
Yeah. He's good. He plays well also.
Yeah, he plays very well.
Yeah. So that was for Feb. Slow burn romance. We come back in March.
With a book that has a nature,
nature.
element in the title.
Yeah. We're yet to decide which one.
We will decide after this video ends. So
Yeah.
we also don't know.
But cool. Do read this if you're in the mood to like chill.
And like if you're in the romantic mood and when you want
And
to
if
read
you're-
like a romance.
Huh. And if you're in a section mood, just read the second last chapter, like before the epilogue.
No,
It's a
there
good
was
sex.
tension building that was happening. So I think
Hmm.
you should read the entire book.
Yeah.
Bye.